Namaste friends, welcome to our channel, Sudeep AI Show. Today we are diving into a topic that's changing the world faster than ever, artificial intelligence, or AI. But hold on, we are not just talking about robots or science fiction. We'll explain what AI really is, how today's AI is different from older AI, and why it's not the same as Google. So if you've ever wondered how ChatGPT works or why AI is suddenly everywhere, this video is for you. Let's begin. Part 1. What is AI? AI simply means machines that can think or learn like humans, but through data and patterns. Earlier, computers only did what we told them. But now, AI can learn from experience, just like we do. Imagine teaching a child how to recognize a cat. You show them a few pictures and they understand. Today's AI works the same way. Show it thousands of images and it learns what a cat looks like. This is called machine learning, a big part of modern AI. But now, there's something even smarter, called generative AI, which can actually create content, text, images, code, even music. Part 2. How today's AI is different. So what's new about the AI we see today in tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity or Gemini? Old AI was rule-based. You had to program every step, like, if X, then Y. It was narrow and rigid. New AI, like ChatGPT, is language-based. It understands your question, context, and gives relevant, natural answers, like talking to a real human. The major upgraders: understanding complex language, remembering context, answering creatively and helpfully. It's like the difference between a calculator and a smart assistant that helps you write an email, summarize a legal case, or even draft a business plan. Part 3. AI versus Google. What's the difference? Great question. Why not just Google it? Google is a search engine. It finds information from the web and shows you links. You still have to read, analyze, and decide what's right. AI like ChatGPT is a response engine. It takes your question, understands the intent, and generates the answer in your language with examples. Example: Google, what is artificial intelligence? Right pointing arrow gives 20 links. ChatGPT, what is artificial intelligence? Right pointing arrow gives a clear list with explanations, examples, etc. Think of Google as your librarian. Think of AI as your tutor, who not only finds the answer but helps you understand it. Part 4. Why this matters to you. AI is not just for techies. It's for everyone: students, teachers, business owners, doctors, lawyers, even farmers. It can draft letters, translate languages, make resumes, analyze financial data, suggest tax compliance, help in client communication. The best part? You don't need to be a coder. You just need to ask questions, just like talking to a friend. But yes, remember, AI is powerful, but not perfect. Always verify critical info, especially for legal, financial, or medical matters. Part 5. How you can start using AI. So how can you start? Simple. Use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, or Claude.ai. Start by asking, write a birthday invitation, summarize today's news, explain AI in simple terms, generate business ideas for my shop, make a study plan for me. Many of these tools are free. You can even use them on your phone. Let AI become your personal assistant, helping you save time, learn faster, and work smarter. Concluding this AI basic. Friends, the future is here, and it speaks your language. Hindi, Gujarati, English, whatever you prefer. AI won't take your job, but someone using AI might. So stay ahead. Be curious. Be updated. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below with how you plan to use AI in daily life. This is Sudeep AI Show, bringing tech to the common man, simply explained. See you in the next one.